pleasure to meet you. Your ability to hold a note for 10 minutes straight is unrivaled.
Stop it, you're making me sparkle.
I often dreamed of writing for you in your golden period.
Golden period? I shine every day.
Oi! Those are the captain's special biscuits for being a famous. Hands off.
He's a diva, Captain. He's not a diva. I'm the diva.
So, who's taking the first verse?
Me. I've never, ever been second. Well, I'm not going second either. Okay. One second. Here it is. How to do a duet with two super divas. It just says, don't.
You know I always hit the right note. Let's see if you can go low, low, low. You know I was born so I could put on a show. If you're so ready, then you should prove it. Let's go. Get that confetti at the ready, get the bass so loud. You know I'm always stage ready, so bring on that crowd. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Give me the bass, you know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Move out the space, move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond, you know I always shine in the spotlight. I'm number one, you ain't gonna compete. But when I turn it up, they all up their seat. Everyone knows they're cheering just for me. Well, I'ma sing the chorus so everyone can see. Get that confetti at the ready, get the bass so loud. You know I'm always stage ready, so bring on that crowd. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Give me the bass, you know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Move out the space, move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond, you know I always shine in the spotlight. You got these sunglasses just to watch me how I shine. I'ma shine so brightly you'll be blinded by the light. If you think that you can win, then you can think again. If you wanna beat me, well then you can get in line. 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 Give me the spotlight. Give me the spotlight. Give me the bass. You know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight. Give me the spotlight. Move out the space. Move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond. You know I always shine. Spotlight.
Boy, Freddie, told you that tip-off was real. I got Diva Donna duetting with Nova Jones. And that internet captain's here.
Space paparazzi? How did they know what was happening? You tricked me into that duet.
That's the king she went crazy about.
Was nobody going to offer the cap a verse? Who's North? Our North, greatest cap of all. A lot of followers.
Oh, sweetnesses. Don't. But do. But don't, no. Ah! I want you to get rid of her. Now.
Okay, Never. I'll manage this. I'll get her off the ship right away.
Just once, can't you walk into a room like a normal person? It's been 2 days. Our duet is at number 23 in the chart. 23? We shall have to do some promotion. Shall I conjure the press? You don't get it. I always go straight to number 1. 23rd is like being billion squillion. Then we agree. I won't leave until our song is number 1.
She's a classic faded star. Great old songs, but nobody's into the new stuff.
When you broke her record, she realised she could get some glory just by being by your side. She won't leave until your duet's a #1 hit. The song's only not a hit because no one likes her anymore. She's the reason we're hitless. I know. And yet the whole place is going diva mad.
No, don't. Oh, but do, definitely always do.